Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Now that you're joining me, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of pressing that subscribe button below. And also remember, you guys, to hit that notification bell. So recently, you guys, I have been inspired to make these shot glass miniature desserts that fit in a container that looks like this. And the reason why I've been inspired by it is because they're easy. They have simple ingredients, they're miniature, and it's exactly what my diet calls for, you guys. But let me tell you something. A lot of this stuff that I be making is just as I say on camera. This stuff is good, y'all. So the smaller, the better, all right? So because I've been inspired to make these desserts, if you've not seen the original one that I made, which was a berries and cream, I'll leave it over here. You gotta go check that one out as well. Strawberries and blueberries, okay, you guys. Whipped up in some heavy whipping cream, and then I had a crumb base. Absolutely delicious. And today, I am going to take some cream cheese and some peanut butter and some chocolate, and I am going to put together a peanut butter cheesecake miniature dessert. And I'm also going to put together a chocolate cheesecake miniature dessert. So if you want to see how these are brought together, stay with me, you guys, and I will show you how coming up next. Okay, welcome everyone. So today we are going to be making these miniature shot glass sized desserts. One of them is going to be a peanut butter mousse, and it's going to have swirls of chocolate throughout it. And then the second one is going to be a chocolate cream cheese mousse, and it is going to have some Oreo cookie flavor crumbs throughout that one. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys, and we're going to start with the crumbs. So in this bowl, I've got some almond flour, and to it, I'm going to add my sweetener, the dark cocoa powder, and this is what gives it the Oreo cookie flavor. Let's go ahead and mix this together. Then some vanilla extract. And last, some melted butter until we get a crumbly consistency. All right, everyone, now this is ready. So I'm going to set this aside, and then I am going to prep the heavy whipping cream. Okay, now for the heavy whipping cream, just add it to my mixing bowl. And then we are going to blend it until we get our medium peaks. All right. Now this is ready. Okay, now for this cream cheese. So we are going to blend it until it is softened. And then we are going to add some confectioners sweetener. Put in some vanilla extract. Mix this in, and then we're going to add the confectioner sweetener. Okay, this is ready. Let's give it a mix just to make sure that all the confectioner sweetener is combined. And now it's time, you guys, to split this in half, because part of this is going to be chocolate and then part of this is going to be a peanut butter flavor. All right. And to this one, I'm going to add the peanut butter. Mix that in until well combined. And that looks good. And for this one, I am going to add the cocoa powder. And mix this until the cocoa powder is well combined. Okay, now it's time to add in the heavy whipping cream. To make this light and fluffy. All right. All right, you guys, this is looking good. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing with the peanut butter flavor. And this is ready. Okay, you guys, all I need to do at this point is to melt some more chocolate with some heavy whipping cream to make the ganache for the peanut butter flavor dessert, and then we will be ready to assemble this. All right, everyone, so time to assemble. We are going to start with adding these crumbs to the bottom of each one of these cups. And for the chocolate flavor, we are going to pipe some of this chocolate mousse into the cup. Followed by some crumbs. And we are going to alternate until we get to the top. Just like that. And for the topper on this, I'm just going to add some of these crumbs, sprinkle them on top. And then there we have it, you guys. Now for the peanut butter. Okay, you guys, so for the peanut butter, we're going to start with piping some of this peanut butter mousse into the cup. Followed by some of this chocolate ganache, which by the way has been cooled. Then some more peanut butter, mousse, then some more sauce on top, and then last, you guys, optional of course, we're going to add some nuts. And now this is the peanut butter cream cheese mousse miniature shot glass dessert. Looks delicious. Let's go ahead and finish up these two, and then we're gonna give these a taste. And here we have it, you guys, the completed miniature shot glass desserts made with a peanut butter cream cheese mousse and a chocolate cream cheese mousse. You guys, look at this, absolutely delicious. Please do give these a try. Let everyone know just how phenomenally delicious they are. Give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. Please do like, because that lets YouTube know that you do in fact appreciate this content, and they will continue to spread it around. And remember, you guys, to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will always know when I upload new content. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy, you guys, and I'll see you soon.